Alright, so in this video training, I want to show you exactly how you can make your first dollar online, right? If you've not made any money online before, after watching this video, you're going to be learning exactly how to make your first dollar. If you are not interested in making money in dollars, I advise you to scroll by. So the first thing is come to your browser and type in Warrior Plus. So here is it. So we'll click on this first link. Alright, so here we are on the page. WordPress is actually an online marketplace where affiliates, those who promote products, and vendors, those who owns products, meet and share links, right? So what you basically do is you get to promote product and earn commission. One beautiful thing about affiliate marketing is that some products might be recurring. What it means is you'll be earning money either every month or every year, depending on the kind of product it is, especially on softwares and mentorship, right? So it's usually recurring. Every month you'll be earning your commission. So that way you could make money. You could make as much as possible from just one single sale. That is why you see a lot of affiliate marketers actually rich, because they used to sell recurring income. So they just make one sale and start eating the money for the rest of the year. If you are just new here, what I advise you to do is clicking on this sign up for free, right? It's absolutely free to sign up. So click on that sign up for free. Here you are, you provide your username, your password, your email address, then you click on this place that said I'm not a robot. So now you create your free account. But I've created an account before, so I will just log in, right? So I'll click on this already registered, sign in instead. So I'll click on it to ask me to sign in. So I'm going to, I got my username and password saved on my phone. So I'm just going to sign in automatically. So here I've logged in and I'm on Marketplace. So to make it easier, I'll request a desktop site. So now come again, I'll click on this affiliate and I'll click on offers. Yeah, so here we are. We have lots of products you want to promote. So now let's say you want to promote this this first product that here, the Ultimate AI, the ChatGPT something, right? So and they will pay you 100% commission. They're going to pay you full commission. All right, so now let's check. So this product is actually doing well. It's been launched recently, I think yesterday, because I'm recording this video on 1st of May. Okay, 2 days ago. I think it was launched on 29th of April. And this it has done over 500 sales already, and its commission is 10%. That means every 10% that click on the link, about every 100% that click on the link, about 10 people will buy from you. Now this is the visitor value, right? So and average sales, per average sales, what you earn is $28.31, right? So now what you have to do is come into this place that say request, then you click on request. Now it has loaded. What you have to do is, one thing about this platform is that you have to request product before it will be approved. Before you can promote, you have to request, right? So what you have to do is, they said you must be approved by high EPC to promote this product. So high EPC is actually the person that created the product. So it's very easy. Just come to this place and request approval, right? You can see it. So when you say request approval, it brings an inbox. They'll ask you to write some messages here, but I've gotten a custom message for you too. Now this, you can use this template, right? So this template is very powerful, and if you use it, like I can guarantee you that 90% of this seller or the vendors are going to approve your request. So I'm going to come to this place and I'll just paste. So I'll put the name of the vendor here. I'll put the name of the vendor here. His name is High EPC, right? So I'm going to request approval. All right, so now you've sent approval. Within a few hours, few minutes to hours, they will approve your product for you and you start promoting, right? So that is it. You could promote your product to TikTok, social media, and Facebook, right? Even you can use Google search ads if you have the money to spend, okay? So that is how to make your first dollar online. So in case you're interested in attending my class, where I'll be showing you some company that will be paying you 50% of their revenue by just recommending their products. So like this video, leave me a comment that you are interested in this special class, then go to my bio and use the link to join my class. Remember, the training is only for my followers, so you must be following me, right? So see you on the inside.